Welcome back, fellow fishing fanatics. I'm Michigan Troller, and today I'm going to show you my Harley setup. I have it all rigged up so I can take my rods with me for if I go out fishing on the pier or go down to the river. When it's a nice day out, generally we're out fishing, so might as well take the bike with us too. So I'll show you what I did and give you some ideas just in case you guys want to do it. So for the back of it, I have a rack, regular old rack you can get on any bikes for the most part, and I went through and measured the distance. These are on center apart. They floated around a little bit, but I kind of got the average for it and used a ball nose, did some grooves into there, drilled and flat-headed this piece, and then tapped this one above it and have that screwed into there. And then I bought a Traxtech track, drilled and flat-headed this piece so it mounted onto there, and then I just went through and tightened up the bolts down to there, locked that on, and then I have a little bolt just sitting on the side so these don't fly off. These are the same rod holders that I use for my boat, so I figured might as well get some more use out of them. I can get 4 into there, and here in Michigan we're allowed 3 rods, so I can have all 3 rods. And then my net, I took it all the way out to Grand Haven Pier today, and it worked awesome. So far I don't have no complaints about it. I'm liking it quite a bit. And then I have this little pack with all my gear in it, spoons, some Rapalas, my camera gear and everything. And then in here I brought my cast net out, did a cast net video how to throw those, and then some rod holders fit in there nice. That's everything in there. And then the other side I don't really have too much in there. I was able to fit it all in the bag and that. But if I catch some fish, I'll probably end up trying to clean this side out, and then that's where I'll put the fish at. Well, I just wanted to do a little quick tutorial, show you how I have it set up. These are just bungee strapped down to here, and they haven't went nowhere. So far so good, so keep giving her a try, see how it works this year. But like I said, the first initial couple rides have been awesome. I'm loving it. So hopefully you guys like that. Gives you some ideas if you have a bike, how to kind of rig it up and get it onto there so you can take out your fishing poles, do a little bit of fishing on your rides. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.